The hood chat. I'm in a Bronx. I'm out here with 6ix9ine. Word is ball. I'm with all them. Yeah, I mean, turned up. We got the money on the couch, the drugs. We just killed 3 homeless men. We lit.
I ain't gonna lie, I got a fucking mean feed right now. Oh my god.
What you got?
And I'm good.
Right here.
Alright, wait, hold on. This you right here, blood? This you?
Look, what the fuck is wrong? Yo, what's up wrong with you, dummy?
Oh my.
This my boy, baby. Where you going?
Beat me up.
Where you going, nigga? I don't see you.
Bro, I'm in this corner, bro. Help.
Yo, I don't see you.
I'm buying 4Gs, bro.
I'm sorry, bro. Oh, alright, I see you now. Hold on. Come here. I got you.
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Alright, good. But look at the back of my head, bro.
What the fuck?
Take it down.
Yo, how do I get under? I'm prone. I don't. Let me see. Damn!
I got this mean feed.
Cheese this. This you?
Draw this bitch.
Oh god, damn.
Wait, that's showing that white car right there? That's showing
in
that
the
white
belly.
car.
Oh, they got the Hellcat.
Oh, I just went white, nigga. Just smoked me.
I gotta go.
Yeah, I got the scare.
You gotta get a gun.
Nah, bro, you gonna go to jail, bro. You gotta get a man.
Hey, bro, I gotta protect myself in the city, bro. You already having a shootout, W. Oh my god.
You said what?
We still somebody car.
I'm just trying to get a gun.
Wait, this y'all right here? Y'all by the basketball court? Get me.
Street, come down the street, like back up. Alright, anytime you need ammo, just drop me and pick it back up. We right here, we running.
Oh yeah, take my picture, dummy.
I just capped 2 sales, they in another state. So much coke, when I break it down, it can't fit on the plate. You a rookie, fuck, I look like buying hard, I need it straight.
I'm on the block. Like, you just saw it, dummy. Like, oh my gosh, my.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I got that button, bro. I'm ready to kill a nigga now. Hold on.
This y'all in the
Bled,
belly?
come on, Bled, hop in.
I can't, buddy. Yeah, hold on.
Hey, I got a shirt for you too, Bled.
You did?
Yeah.
I already got one.
We gotta go get cheese. Hold on. Cheese. Cheese right here. Right here. Yeah.
Matter of fact, cheese, you know what I've been thinking? Yellow tape around his body. I just caught him by surprise. I didn't even mean to shoot him. I just caught me by surprise. Yo, you got. Oh no, this nigga twin look like El Chapo. I ain't gonna lie, with that young ass cut, dummy, you don't need this shit. You ain't never, bro. You see that bro? The demon not Emmy is beside me, dummy. That's how shiesty a nigga is.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now.
Damn, bro. Why y'all all hard? Why y'all? Hey yo. Why y'all all dumb? Drop me your skip.
Yo, get off your knees, dummy. Cheese, get off your knees. Come on.
Hold on. Put it on. Press RT. Don't shoot me.
Yo.
You gotta keep it on, cheese. Drop it.
I already slapped upside his head, dummy. Oh no, why you got that weeby ass cut? Ain't gonna lie, can we get something to eat before we slide?
Cheese, light him up. Cheese, light him up.
Can I eat? Cheese just cut her body.
I'm not here. I'm not listening. I don't have no gun, bro.
That's me, dickhead.
Oh boy, you ready to get the belt.
It's a nigga inside here, bro. What?
Who this is right here walking?
Me personally, I wouldn't take this level of disrespect.
This is my alter ego. Anita Max Win.
Come on, yeah. Hop in.
I had to fucking dump my switch on him, bro. I was feeling dangerous.
This nigga nut, bro. He gonna get us all killed, fam. Cause he kill hungry. I don't have no gun to help you, bro. You got this piece of shit. You just ain't bled, bro.
Oh, you want him? Behind you.
Number one. It's still inside. Another one's still inside. That cheese? Nope. Bust him.
Damn.
You're smoking crack.
Kill him, Nook, my aim.
Bled, you some shit. Drop your gun, Bled, and pick it back up.
I killed him.
Get my head back up.
Got him.
Come on, you took too long, bitch.
There's another one.
I killed him. You took too long.
I killed him. What are you talking about?
Nigga right there. Get him, Bled.
Oh, it's another one?
2.
Got a gun too.
Ooh.
Killed him.
Refreshing. Very refreshing.
Oh.
Ran him down. Give me your money. Give me your money.
I'm ready to take his gun. Hold on.
Ran him down. You can have his gun. I don't want it.
I don't know where he at. Hold on. I'm ready to pick it up.
Yo, how I get my health up? I mean, what I gotta go to the ambulance?
I'm going to truck down. I'm ready to slide.
Nigga, Nut, where did you go?
Alright.
Bled, fuck him up.
Yeah, I just
Head tap. Oh my gosh. Head tap.
I just made you this. Are the arms of the angel.
I'm gonna pick up your gun, Bled. Chill. Why you shooting for me? Why you shooting at me? Hold on.
Hit me down. Come on, just get my bag. I got hold switch. Come on, bro. Come on, grab my bag.
Damn.
I killed you.
Getting money. They see
He
me in
killed-
the chat ain't funny. If they see, why you turn the music up?
Jeez, that killed. Pick my bag up. Hurry up, I got to switch.
Dang.
Hold on, we in a shootout.
Dang.
I'm ready to pick it up.
I can't believe we made it this far. I can't believe we made it this far.